You've probably heard it all before, that growing older means slowing down, that fatigue is natural, energy will fade, and the intimacy you once shared with your partner becomes a distant memory. But let me tell you something, my dear elder, they were wrong, completely wrong. I'm Dr. Samuel Boyd, a men's health specialist who has spent more than 30 years helping men across America, from the quiet suburbs of Ohio to the sun-soaked streets of Arizona, rediscover their energy, their strength, and yes, their sense of closeness, even after crossing the age of 60. Over the years, I've learned something surprising. The answer to restoring vitality doesn't lie in costly medications, synthetic hormones, or fancy wellness clinics. No, it's much simpler. The secret is in your own kitchen, in something your body has known since childhood, something real, natural, and incredibly powerful. It's fruit. Just 4 everyday fruits, not from expensive stores or imported supplement lines, just real, honest fruit. The kind you can find in your neighborhood grocery store, your local farmer's market, or even the produce aisle at your nearest Walmart. These aren't just sweet treats. They help restore blood circulation, improve mood, reduce stress, and most importantly, reignite the physical and emotional closeness that aging so often dims. And the best part? They work whether you're 60, 70, or even in your 80s. Your body is still listening, you just need to offer it something it remembers. So in just a moment, I'll walk you through these 4 powerful fruits and how to include them in your daily routine. No drastic diets, no complex regimens, just small, meaningful steps back toward feeling strong and connected again. But before we get into the details, I kindly invite you to subscribe to this channel. We share weekly health videos created especially for seniors. Hit the bell icon so you'll be gently reminded whenever a new tip is released. And if this video speaks to you, just type 1 in the comments. If not, feel free to type 0. I read every message and I promise to keep improving for you. Please share this video with a friend, a spouse, or even an old army buddy or former colleague. Sometimes just sharing can help someone quietly suffering take a first step toward healing. Oh, let's begin with the first fruit. Red grapes, the gentle flow restorer. Early in my medical practice, I believed blood circulation problems in older men needed medication or procedures. But as I worked with men from all walks of life, retirees in Florida, veterans in Texas, grandfathers in Michigan, I noticed something important. Those who stayed active and connected often had something in common in their diets: red grapes. You might pass by them without a second thought at your local Safeway or Trader Joe's, but these small, vibrant fruits carry a compound called resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant that helps relax and widen your blood vessels. When blood flows more freely, oxygen reaches your heart, your brain, your muscles, and yes, those regions that are central to intimacy. If your legs feel unusually cold in the morning, or you've noticed emotional or physical distance creeping into your relationship, poor circulation could be the cause. Red grapes help unlock those pathways again, gently. A simple handful each day, maybe with your lunch or alongside your evening tea, boosts nitric oxide, improving flow without side effects. For men, this means firmer, more dependable responses. For women, it enhances pelvic circulation, easing discomfort, and bringing warmth back to moments of connection. I recall a couple from Wisconsin who shared how just a small bowl of red grapes each day helped them rediscover intimacy they thought was long gone. Not a miracle, just nature doing its quiet work. And this is just the beginning. Let's explore the next fruit, a humble powerhouse that guards your kidneys and restores balance. Cranberries, the kidney's loyal protector. For a long time, I thought cranberries were only for Thanksgiving, a side dish served with turkey and stuffing. But as I began talking with seniors across the country, active folks enjoying their retirement years in Colorado or hiking with their grandkids in Oregon, I noticed something. Many of them included unsweetened cranberry juice or dried cranberries in their daily habits. So I took a closer look. What I found was astonishing. Cranberries are incredible for your kidneys and urinary tract. These systems are vital to your sexual health and energy. When they weaken, waste builds up, inflammation increases, and blood flow is disrupted, especially in the areas tied to intimacy. Men often see decreased function. Women may notice dryness, discomfort, or reduced desire. but cranberries contain natural compounds that clear infection, soothe inflammation, and enhance blood circulation where it matters most. They act like a quiet guardian, keeping your pelvic region healthy, your pressure steady, and your confidence restored. I once met a retired Army officer whose daughter suggested adding a few cranberries to his morning oatmeal. "Doc," he told me later, "I didn't think anything of it, but weeks later I just felt clearer. Not just physically, but emotionally too. Just a splash of juice in the morning or a few dried cranberries on your salad and you may start to feel lighter inside and out." Now, if that impressed you, wait until we discuss a fruit that doesn't just restore, it reawakens. Papaya, the quiet awakener of strength. There's something beautifully simple about papaya, the soft color, the gentle texture, the way it seems to melt on your tongue, but underneath that calm sweetness lies a silent strength that too many underestimate. Papaya is rich in vitamins A, C, and E and includes papain, a powerful enzyme that improves digestion and reduces inflammation. But its secret? It helps naturally support testosterone in men and hormonal balance in women. I remember a retired school principal from Ohio who told me he felt constantly fatigued and emotionally distant. We didn't start with prescriptions, just a small bowl of papaya in the morning topped with Greek yogurt and a dash of cinnamon. A few weeks later, he said to me, "Doctor, it feels like someone flipped a switch inside me. I feel awake." Papaya improves stamina, supports adrenal function, your stress center, and enhances pelvic blood flow. This means more energy during the day and more ease in moments of intimacy. For women, it can reduce dryness and balance estrogen. For both, it restores comfort, confidence, and connection. And best of all, it's affordable and easy to enjoy. No pills, no pressure, just a gentle companion, offering its strength one bite at a time. But we're not done yet. The final fruit is perhaps the most emotionally powerful of them all. Cherries, the fruit that rekindles the flame. Cherries carry a quiet magic. Just holding a small bowl of them, their rich color, their soft texture, brings a sense of peace. But cherries are more than a nostalgic snack. They are one of the most powerful fruits for emotional and physical connection in your later years. They contain anthocyanins that reduce inflammation, cleanse your blood vessels, and support nitric oxide production. This opens up flow to the pelvic region, restoring responsiveness and sensation. More than that, cherries are rich in melatonin, which improves sleep. And as we know, good sleep means better mood, balanced hormones, and greater desire for closeness. A couple from New York once came into my office, quietly holding hands. They had started eating cherries before bed. "We didn't expect anything," the wife told me, "but now we talk more, we touch more, we sleep better." It wasn't magic, it was remembering. If you've stayed with me this long, reading these final words, then something inside you is already beginning to shift. Maybe it's the fatigue that snuck up on you, or the loneliness that grew without you noticing. Or maybe it's the longing to feel close again, to yourself and to your partner. Whatever it is, I want to tell you this clearly. You are not finished. You are not too late. Your body is still here, still waiting for you to return. Start with one fruit, just one, the one you already have in your fridge, the one that calls to you. Could be a few red grapes in the afternoon, a splash of cranberry juice in the morning, a soft slice of papaya after lunch, or a bowl of cherries as the sun sets behind your backyard fence. Each bite is a small declaration. I choose to reconnect. I choose to live fully. Soon you may feel your hands warming, your heart softening, your sleep deepening, or the quiet joy of reaching for your spouse's hand again. These changes aren't loud, but they are real, and they begin with you. If this message touched your heart, just type 1 in the comments. If not, feel free to type 0. I'm always listening. And please take a moment now to subscribe to this channel. Every week, I'll share simple, effective guidance to help you feel whole again. Body, mind, and spirit. Thank you for being here. Thank you for opening your heart. Until next time, I'm Dr. Samuel Boyd, and I believe your best days are still ahead.